Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So with this pandemic, almost everybody around the world is spending significantly more time in their homes. And if you're anything like me, that's caused me to start looking around and analyzing every corner, every nook, every cranny, and wanting it to be as nice as possible. What once was a long forgotten corner is now something that I spend a considerable amount of time staring at, standing in, just thinking about. I think across the board, home improvements are at an all-time high, but that can get really expensive. So I got to thinking, what are the little things, the finishing touches that can just make things a little bit nicer? All of these projects are small and affordable. Everything is under $30 and just give that little extra something. So with all of that said, if you are new here to my channel, please just take a minute to subscribe. I have a huge giveaway that is closing in just a couple days. I'm announcing the winner on my stories over on Instagram. I'm picking someone to win a $1,000 staycation. All of the details are going to be in the description box, but all you have to do to be entered is be subscribed to this channel with notifications turned on and following me over on Instagram. So let's get started with number one. You know, knobs weren't something that I thought about before this quarantine, but now I'm touching these knobs like 50 times a day. Our prior knobs, they're 20, 25 years old and they lost their shine, let's just say that. And so we replaced them, and each knob I think was only $4 or $5, and it makes our whole kitchen look so much better. We got the chrome knobs that have the sparkle, the shine, they have a different look to them. Hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your cables, okay? Cable clutter just doesn't look the best, and it's very easy to hide it now. They actually make special boxes. Plug your extension cord in and all of your cables, and it looks nice and streamlined, and you don't see the cables tangled up everywhere looking like a hot mess. The big problem areas tend to be the desk and nightstand. So I found these little cable organizer boxes. Just put all your cables in there. No one has to know. Now for a kitchen or a bathroom, instead of spending thousands of dollars retiling, repainting, doing a full upgrade, they actually make stick-on tile that looks shockingly good. But this is a great alternative, especially if you are renting. They make all different colors, shapes, sizes of this tile. So you just have to cut and stick. It could not be easier. It's a project you can do in just a few hours, and it will give your kitchen or bathroom a totally updated look. There's a couple other things in the peel and stick category. They make peel and stick stained glass or privacy glass screens. So for example, if you have windows in the front or maybe on a door that anyone could see in and you want a little privacy, or in a bathroom, if you have a window that someone could see in, that is definitely something you want a privacy screen for. But to replace the glass is very pricey. So instead, you can get the peel and stick version, and they come in all different types. This is so cool. They have type that looks like stained glass, and it will project rainbows in the room as the light shines through. I got a more basic mosaic looking one. You can just get the plain type that's just going to make it so no one can see in. Or they even have some that look like bamboo leaves, so you get a spa vibe going depending on what room you put it in. So I don't know about you, but I did not even know this existed, and I think it is pretty darn cool. And last peel and stick you may know about, but just in case you don't, they actually make marble contact paper, and you can stick this on just about anything and make it look like marble. If you're renting, you could put this on a kitchen island. I put it on my old rickety desk that was really in bad shape, and now it looks like I have a marble top on my desk. And again, guys, this is just peel and stick. Could not be easier, so affordable, and makes such a big impact. These little motion sensor lights, I love them. They're easy, they're stick-on, they're automatic, there's no cords, and it's just a little extra touch that makes your life better. When you're walking down the stairs, they illuminate for me. You can put these in forgotten closets that now when you open it up, it will light up. A much, much needed upgrade that my home was well overdue for were doormats, and I did not know what a difference it would make. We had these doormats that we inherited before we even moved in. We never got new ones. I don't know why, but I found these adorable doormats that were super affordable from Amazon, and I did the layered look. So I have this gray plaid one underneath and then the welcome mat on top. I love the font. It's simple, but just makes me so happy. Every time I walk in the door, I'm like, dang, I feel welcome now. Next, in your bathroom, look at your shampoo, conditioner, bath products. chances are they're all different shapes, sizes, colors. So what I have now in my bathroom, I use the function of beauty products, and they come in these matching really cute bottles. So now everything goes together. It just looks that much nicer and it makes me happy. You also could just get the clear bottles and put your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in those, label them. And while you're at it, it's also a good idea to just declutter your body care and hair care products, because how much do you really need? Or you could rotate things out. This automatic soap dispenser, very 2020 because it is ultra sanitary. You don't have to touch anything. You just put your hand underneath and it dispenses the perfect amount of soap. And this is under $30. So this is very cool, and I'm going to put this in all of our bathrooms now. It's also more cost effective to buy your soaps in bulk and refill anyway, better for the environment, and it's just a one-time purchase and it ends up looking so much nicer. Another thing I have in my kitchen that just takes it up a notch are these automatic salt and pepper dispensers. You guys, it's like luxury in my hand. They light up, you can see the exact amount of salt you're putting on your food. They look really nice sitting here on my kitchen countertop. And really, they do bring me joy every day as I'm seasoning my food. Now, this I showed recently in a video, but I have to mention again because it probably would be in the top 3 of the things I've done recently that just makes my house nicer, and that is these labels for my spices, baking supplies, and pantry items. Oh my goodness. So these were super affordable. I think they're under $10. This project, I did not even anticipate how much nicer my kitchen would look by having things labeled with these really pretty, elegant looking labels. Now, when people come and they're grabbing the garlic salts, they're like, wow, Brittany, that's some nice garlic salt. I'm doing insane amounts of laundry lately between, milk getting everywhere and having a newborn. I probably do laundry every single day now. So I created this nice little laundry station. Instead of having detergent, wool ball, OxyClean, all of it just kind of everywhere, I made a little station with a tray, and I just used things I already had, all of that on the tray, and now it just looks so much nicer. A big theme, if you haven't noticed, is just making spaces in your home look more cohesive. So along those lines, while we're still in the kitchen, I used to have mugs from every corner of the globe, and way more mugs than anyone could possibly need, because it's only me and Ryan, 2 of us, who even use mugs. I had about 50 at one point, I would say. I decided to declutter all of them except for the sentimental ones and switch them out for these glass mugs. They're the perfect size, they're really sturdy, and it just makes such a difference. Instead of the tissue boxes that you get at the store, some of them are really loud, bright colors. I found this acrylic tissue box. It's refillable. So we put this in our guest bathroom, and I think it's really a step up from the old tissue box we had in here. Huge one that's gonna make a difference are your throw pillows. We have always had really cheap throw pillows. They're coming apart. They're all stained. It was time for an upgrade. And what I've learned, there's 2 ways you can get nicer throw pillows and not have to spend a ton of money. One is Home Goods, or on Amazon, you can buy the throw pillow inserts and then buy the covers for them separately, and they end up being a lot more affordable. And also a throw blanket, a nice, cozy, luxe feeling throw blanket will really do a lot. So this throw blanket I ordered is incredible. I'm so impressed by the quality. It looks a lot more expensive than it is. This side is like faux fur, and then the other side is fleece, and it's insanely soft. So very much recommend this. I'm gonna get another one for upstairs. So that is gonna be it. That's 15 really easy, affordable projects you can do around your house just to make it a little bit nicer. So when you're spending all your time at home, you can look over at the corner and say, that's a nice knob. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and go over to Instagram and follow me there to be entered to win my staycation. With all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.